Welcome to HeyGen, where AI avatars bring your content to life without ever stepping in front of a camera.
In this comprehensive guide, you'll master AI avatar video creation from beginner to expert level. Hey creators, I'm excited to show you how HeyGen can revolutionize your video content. No camera, no editing skills. HeyGen is an AI-powered platform that creates professional videos using realistic digital avatars. HeyGen uses advanced deep learning to generate photorealistic avatars with needs accurate lip lock. From YouTubers to Fortune 500 companies, HeyGen powers diverse content. Explainer videos. Getting started is simple. Visit heygen.com and click Get Started Free. You can sign up with email or Google account. This is your Command Center 6. On the left, you'll find templates and avatars. Center shows your video projects. HeyGen offers flexible pricing. Start free with 1 minute of video credit. Upgrade to Creator for $29 a month with 50. Choose from over 100 pre-made avatars representing diverse backgrounds and styles. Pick one that matches. Create video and choose your starting point. Templates offer quick starts for common uses, while Scratch gives you full creative control. Type or paste your script here, Siri.
Choose from 300 plus AI voices across 40 plus languages and accents. Preview each voice. HeyGen's voice cloning feature creates a digital copy of your voice from just 2 minutes of audio. Upload your recording, hit generate and watch the magic happen. HeyGen's AI processes your script, syncs lip movements perfectly, adds natural gestures. Create multi-scene videos by adding scenes, mix different avatars, backgrounds and scripts to keep content dynamic and engaging. Browse 300 plus professionally designed templates, each optimized for specific platforms and purposes with preset layouts, music, and translators can create custom avatars from photos or videos. AI maps your unique features, creating a personalized digital twin in 24 through 48 hours.
Translate your video into 40+ languages with automatic lip sync. Your avatar speaks fluent Spanish, Mandarin, or any language while maintaining natural.
And that's HeyGen Mastered. Start creating professional AI avatar videos today.